Burnett here, and these are hot off the press Ipsy Bag Plus spoilers for the month of October from my subscription addiction. We'll have the full list as we always do in the description box below of all the products featured. And as always, make sure you like and subscribe so you never miss another spoiler. Here we go. Okay guys, so what did you think of those Ipsy spoilers so far for October? Definitely let me know in the comment section below, and I'll actually put the link to my latest Ipsy Glam Bag. If you kind of want to check it out, make sure it's worth it for yourself, but definitely make sure you like and subscribe so you never miss another Ipsy spoiler. Have a good day, guys.